morning. My name is Manny Fernandez, and I want to tell you a short story. 2 years ago, Felix, Hector, Beatriz, and myself, we started looking for a project. Florida in Georgia, and the project was a truck parking lot.
This is truck yard right here, guys.
So we visited, I would say, at least 30, or if not 40, different locations.
This is insane.
And we ended up in Augusta, Georgia.
So let's get into it. So we found a property that at a very reasonable price. We've been looking for a long time to do an open storage.
Where we fell in love with this abandoned lot. It looked terrible. It looked like if it was in a war zone. You had to have vision for this, but it was 15 acres of land. So we started the project.
Oh my gosh!
Uh, 2 years later, what this place looks like now is unbelievable. Truckers need a place to rest. This is an amazing opportunity. It's the first of many that we will do. It's amazing.